Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Getty's World and hope everybody is doing very well. In today's video, we are making simple and quick Indomie recipe. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I have my carrots, I also have my cooked sausage, I have my spring onion and bell pepper, cabbage. I also have eggs over here, and this is my Indomie. I have the onion flavor. I'll be adding some curry, some grated garlic, and some sardine to it. So let's not waste much time. So let's make this simple recipe. I already have my water. It is boiling, so I will go ahead and add my Indomie and let it cook for some minutes. You can also decide to add the seasoning or not, but I'm going to add some of the seasoning and I'll let it cook for 5 minutes, and after that I will strain the water from it. And also a warm greeting to you all for always taking your precious time to watch every video I post. I do appreciate it a lot, and if you are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe so that you can watch every video I post, and also click on the bell button to get notified every time I post a video. So please stay tuned, let's continue. My pan is heated with oil, so I'm going to add my onions, give it a stir. I'll also be adding my grated garlic and also with my cooked sausage. So from here, I'll be adding all my veggies to it. At this point, I'm going to add my Indomie into my veggies, give it a stir, and also I will add my curry powder and my chili powder to it. So I'm going to mix everything together before adding my sardine. My noodles is almost ready, quick and easy to prepare. I'm going to add the sardines to it, and with the garlic and the curry added, it has really made it to taste so good, and the aroma alone is something else. I can't wait to have this Indomie. I hope you give this a try at home. My Indomie is ready. I'm gonna take it with fried egg. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and like and share it. And also, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for your love so I come your way. See you in my next video.